Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we're gonna do a nice and healthy avocado toast, a little bit more Greek style. So let's get into the recipe. We're gonna need one slice. This is a Greek choriatico, it's a kind of sourdough. So avocado, of course. For this recipe, we're gonna use a very nice calamon olive spread from Artist Foods Canada, and red onion, lime, sriracha mayo, few cherry tomatoes. This is fresh watercress, feta, and 2 tablespoons of strained Greek yogurt. So let's go with that, and we preheat a pan, medium to high heat, and for the bread, to toast the bread, we're gonna toast it in the pan. So a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, Artist Foods. Nice. Now we're going in. Perfect. So we're gonna start with the feta cream with the yogurt and stuff. So we're just gonna take the feta cheese and we're gonna cradle it inside the yogurt. Yes, that's it. And this is 1 tablespoon of sriracha hot sauce. And also I'm gonna use the zest of 1 lime. Let's take a little bit, yes. So I'm just mixing the yogurt with the feta and everything together. Nice. So we need to taste a little bit. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the onion. We're gonna slice it thin. We don't need too much, just a little bit. Probably this is okay. We're gonna put it inside the watercress. Everything nice. Check the bread, beautiful. And we're gonna mix everything together. Nice. So, and for that we're gonna add a little bit Artist extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of lime juice. So beautiful. So let's taste it. Excellent. So let's go with the avocado. We're gonna need half of it. Like, it's actually huge. Like, look at that. Crazy, huge. So I'm gonna use a small part. You just need a spoon, and you go from the top, you go in, and the back, you twist, and that's it. I don't like this. So what I'm gonna do with this is that I'm gonna slice it. Okay, perfect. So this is my avocado. Nice, perfect. So for the avocado, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing, because remember, like, it's just an avocado, right? So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Yes, that's it. Salt and pepper. And a drizzle of lemon juice. That's it, perfect. I'm gonna cut half my onion, the cherry tomatoes. So, perfect. So that's ready. So when we're gonna finish with the bread, we're gonna put it a little bit on the side to cool down, and we're gonna add a little bit our cherry tomatoes to soften them up a little bit. Salt, pepper, beautiful. And we're gonna add also a little bit vinegar. So that's my bread. I'm going in with my cherry tomatoes. And balsamic vinegar, aged reserve. Yep, that's it. And now we're gonna start the plating. So I'm gonna put first this one. Yes, beautiful. Perfect. So this is it actually, guys. Avocado toast with calamon spread, olives, feta cream, and beautiful watercress. I hope you like it. Try it. It's a very nice, healthy and light recipe for lunch, like quick brunch, anything you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next Kitchen Lab. Thank you very much.